Hi Easy Technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all 5 ways to free up disk space in Windows 10. So starting off with the easiest and moving on to the hardest ways. First thing you should do is open up your recycling bin. So double click on that and make sure that you empty out your recycling bin. So simply choose Ctrl A and then simply right click and choose delete. It'll ask you if you are sure you want to permanently delete these items. Go ahead and choose yes. Alright, let's go ahead and close that. Moving on to the fourth way is clearing the downloads folder. So all you have to do is open up your File Explorer and then go ahead and open up your downloads folder. Find any files or folders that you don't use or you don't need. Simply select them and then go ahead and right click on it and then choose delete and they will be deleted. Moving on to number 3 is deleting unwanted apps. So first thing you have to do is choose the start menu. Go ahead and choose settings and then go ahead and choose apps and then just stay on apps and features, which will be selected by default. Go ahead and go down and find any applications in which you don't use on your computer. Simply select that application. For example, if I wanted to delete File Viewer Plus 4, I would simply choose that and select uninstall. Choose uninstall. It'll ask you if you want to make changes. Choose yes and then choose yes. And as you can see, it says it was successfully removed from your computer. Go ahead and choose OK. Moving on to the second method is use storage pan in settings. So all you have to do for this is choose the start menu and then simply choose settings. From there, go ahead and choose system and then simply choose storage. Then you'll see a list of categories such as apps and features, temporary files, pictures, music, etc. After a quick scan, it will find all of your temporary files on your device that you can choose, and it'll tell you how much space that it's taking up. So if you want to choose any of these, simply choose the file. So for example, I'll choose other, and then it'll give you all of the files in detail and its location and how much space it is taking up. So for example, if I want to remove files from this one, as it's taking 1.25 gigabytes, I will just simply choose it. It'll open up the exact location, and then I would select the files in which I want to delete, right click, and choose delete. And then simply just close that out. Alright, moving on to the final tip is run or activate Storage Sense. So Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. Go ahead and toggle this on. Alright, and if you watched until the end of this tutorial, I do have a bonus tip for you. So simply go ahead and right click on the start menu and choose run. And then from there type in %temp% and choose OK. You'll find a lot of files here most likely, so go ahead and choose Ctrl A and then right click and simply choose delete. Once you are finished with that, simply go ahead and choose the recycling bin again. And as y'all can see, everything that I have deleted went to the recycling bin, so you should empty this out. Go ahead and choose Ctrl A, right click on any folder, and simply choose delete, and choose yes. Alright, if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, share it to all your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.